Hello and welcome to this week's Mint Deal Space. We have with us three of our reporters who will take us through the big three transactions of this week. First, we have Ashna Ambre who will talk us through Snapdeal's acquisition of Exclusively.in. Ashna?
Snapdeal.com, the online e-tailer, made an acquisition of Exclusively.com, which is a high-end luxury and a premium clothing online brand. Exclusively.com was acquired by Myntra in 2010, and the founders and angel investors bought out the company from Myntra in 2012. Snapdeal is looking to boost its flash sales business and also wants to enter the luxury and premium clothing sales online. So this is the reason which is being stated for this acquisition this week.
Thank you, Ashna. We have with us Vishwanath Nair who will talk about the transaction where Japanese life insurance company Nippon Life is increasing its stake in Reliance Capital Asset Management. Let's hear about the transaction.
Hi, Pooja. So, Nippon Life, which is one of the largest life insurance companies in the world, is increasing its stake by about 9% in Reliance Capital Asset Management, which is the mutual fund arm of the Reliance Capital Group, Anil Ambani-owned group. What is happening is the deal is pegged at about 657 crore, and that puts the valuation for RCAM, which is Reliance Capital Asset Management, at over 7,000 crores, which is a significant amount. The life insurer as well as RCAM have now received regulatory approvals from CCI as well as EPFO, and the company hopes to close the deal by next week.
Thank you, Vishwanath. We now have Swaraj Singh Dhanjal who will talk about IDFC Alternatives Private Equity Fund looking to raise capital in the next 3 months. Let's talk about the private equity fundraise.
Hi Pooja. So the private equity arm of IDFC Alternatives is looking to launch its fourth fund, and this will be launched in the next 3 months, wherein the fund will be looking to raise almost between 400 million to 500 million. This is the first time the fund is they are launching another fund after they had raised their last fund in 2008, which had a corpus of $644 million. This time around, the fund said that apart from its existing investors, it will be talking to newer limited partners out of United States and Canada for the capital raising. The fund is looking to invest in a ticket size of 30 to 40 million and is looking at an internal rate of return of 25%. Through this new fund, IDFC Alternatives will be looking to increase its exposure to newer sectors such as food and agriculture, consumer products and services, media and telecom services, as well as health and preventive care. Thank you.
Thank you, Swaraj. That's all for this week. For more updates and news, please log on to livemint.com.